Hello po, kumusta po mga ka-home finders? It's a brand new 2024. And alam niyo po yung feeling na very inspiring and motivating to work on our dreams and goals for this year. It's burning, right? And if you're currently looking for a brand new home within Parañaque area, this cozy and spacious house and lot might be the one. By the way, my name is Ryan Regalado, your real estate broker from Home Finders Guild. Samahan niyo po ako sa first house tour natin for 2024. Check natin. Tara! This brand new house was built on a 220 square meter lot with a total floor area of 270 square meter. Meron siyang malawak na parking space. Kasya ang 3 hanggang 4 na sasakyan dito. Before we get inside, check muna natin yung surroundings ng property. Dito sa left side, we have a mini garden. Somehow, it helps na mabigyan ng kulay at konteksto yung exterior ng bahay natin. And it also helps to provide a relaxed feeling. Kumbaga, it helps na maging inviting and more appealing itong bahay. Silipin naman natin kung ano meron dito sa likod ng bahay. Ayun, there is an outdoor room here, a patio. And then there is a lanay in the area, here saka dito sa likod. Ito yung magsisilbing access natin papunta sa kitchen. Side light nga pala ang tawag dyan sa mga salamin na kapaligid dun sa hampa ng main door natin. It helps a lot, allowing the natural light to come inside the house. Kapasin-pasin din yung pagkakaroon ng maraming windows. May 2 lanay and side light. Lutang na lutang ang idea about having a good ventilation and natural light, which is mukhang na-achieve naman. High ceiling din siya, and I like here also is medyo nakatago yung kitchen niya. Here we go, the kitchen with built-in cabinets. May installed range hood na po siya, and naka-ready na rin po yung abang natin for the cooking range. Now naman po, let's check the room dito sa ground floor, the guest room. If you have seniors na kasama sa bahay, this house is ideal din for them. Meron po siyang sariling toilet and bath. And now, i-check naman natin ang mga rooms dito sa second floor. Ito yung may pinakamaliit na floor area. Meron na siyang sariling toilet and bath, and meron din siyang built-in cabinets. Naman po ang ating third bedroom dito sa second floor. Spacious din po siya. And what else? Ito po yung vanity niya. And this is the toilet and bath. And ito naman po ang second room natin sa second floor. Meron na rin po siyang built-in cabinet, sariling toilet and bath. And mas spacious po siya compared to the previous one. Mas malaki rin po yung built-in cabinets niya and toilet and baths. This is the master's bedroom po. Ayan, cozy and spacious din po siya with balcony. Very generous din po siya sa mga windows which are okay for natural light and good ventilation. And dala na our access going to the balcony. Sobrang okay siya. Nagbibigay siya ng maliwalas na ambience and good mood. So there you have the cozy and spacious 5-bedroom single detached house in Parañaque. If you like the house tour, please do not forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any updates and upcoming videos from Home Finders Guild. If you have questions or need more details about the property, please get in touch with us at 0917-713-3074 or email inquiry@homefindersguild.com. If you're looking for your dream home in Parañaque, I highly recommend checking this one out. You won't be disappointed. Also check our website for more listed properties at www.homefindersguild.com. Thank you for watching and have a great day.